she got her picture.
We are done.
Then while you in there, you get what you doing. You done got comfortable, like, yeah, nigga, let's do a 10-hour shoot. I'm like, nigga.
Cause y'all ain't shit.
Y'all.
That backlight that's on the right, see you slide down this little bit. And then of course if it doesn't give you exactly what you want, of course you already know we got. I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer to the back.
Scooter, what? This way.
Just see 10 shots right quick. Yeah, we just doing 10 shots to get this place. She's gonna have to just turn it. Yeah. But see, but that's the thing though, something like this with a silhouette, put it in black and white, you're good. Give me that pose you was giving. If it feels too low, you can raise it up as well, because they go pretty high. You might have to bring the light down some of it.
You gonna turn that way?
That's insane how good that is.
Hey, you supposed to. I'm trying to find my spot.
Look up there. Oh yeah, that's stop it. Oh my God.
I'm trying to get like Jeremy Cole.
Listen, y'all making me mad. This ain't my shoot. But y'all got some good shots, man, for real. This is amazing. I love it. Look, when you said you doing 2 weeks, I said, boy, y'all pushed it real close. It's a good thing y'all got in. I done had a couple clients myself that done scheduled theirs that close too, and they literally went into labor before our shoot.
Angle your body that way a little bit.
Alright, so now turn completely this way.
All right.
Yeah, so basically what we're gonna do is take both of your hands just like this for me, lean your head back, then you give her a kiss on the forehead.
Oh yeah, that's all. Turn back this way a little bit more too. Right.
And then have your eyes closed. Right there, boy, we was like D-Wade and LeBron on the alley with that one.
I'm gonna have to get y'all a picture blow on that.
You want to buy yourself a?
Yeah, but I want to look at the jacket.
Oh, wait a second.
What you gonna hang it off the shoulder?
No, I love color gray.
Yeah,
Let's see if I can.
Crazy right now. Y'all gotta turn me up. For me?
okay. Well, yeah, I'll look and see for you. Ain't no problem.
You want the chair or you want me to take it?
Oh, let me do the chair first since it's right here.
Well, you got the jacket on. You might want to wear it on.
I want to do like an old school 90s or I don't know.
I see the problem.
You see what I'm like? I don't know.
How you gonna do it though? That bend in the way
I
back.
know.
Can't leave it.
I don't know. Try. If anything, what you'll probably have to do is instead of trying to lean forward too much.
Do we have some?
The box, which foot on it? Which one though? Black or white? White. Got the white chair. Yeah, I was gonna say we can use something else for you.
This little box right here.
And if you need to.
Oh, you good?
Do you feel comfortable or do you need to raise the bar stool some? So then you can have the foot maybe hanging just a tad bit. Yeah.
You ain't got to get up.
You got it.
No, all you have to do is press it, man.
Alright, so now when you sit, wait. And now you can put that foot up so then it's not like it's like basically like up in your stomach basically.
Let me see this. How you butter?
Does that feel more comfortable? Mm-hmm. Okay.
I like that, man.
Yeah.
We went in the restaurant, but it brought props.
The shoot went great. My stomach so tight, so heavy. Every time she moves, it's just like it gets tighter. But the shoot went good. I am excited. We get all our pictures back, not just 5. We get all. But yeah, my hair, I got a quick weave, and it actually turned out okay after I curled it. But it was perfect. Like, it wasn't all out here. It was just like just exactly what I needed. So, oh my God, did I not? I don't know how to do my makeup for real. I winged it, but the fact that I'm trying to rock him back to sleep so he can lay back down, because he up playing, trying to get in rocket cage, getting stuck all between the gate part, behind the cage. Don't have no cage, because he's supposed to be the newborn that sleeps all the time. But no, he's the newborn that likes to play. So now I'm trying to rock him back to sleep. So when I lay him back down in his bed, he'll sleep for the rest of the night. Shit everywhere. It's so many small little lines of shit. Yeah, I so-called curled my hair this morning. I still gotta put my other lash on, but yes, it's 8 o'clock and I just went to sleep. Cause we gotta go get Daddy's new truck. Yay! The baby will be here soon. And we can't do shit with this Camaro anymore, even though we're gonna keep it. But
got a little bit more space because they're right. The middle seat can come up if you want to put somebody right in the front.
Oh yeah, that's what I was looking at. I can't go straight to work in it. They're gonna be mad at me. They're gonna be mad at me, man. I told them I was coming.
Yeah, especially when you get down the road, you put
Shit, yeah.
just make it right out there.